Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our 11th lesson on Heron's formula. And today also we are going to discuss exercise 12.2's two different sum. Those are question number 6 and 7. In question number 6 says an umbrella is made by stitching 10 triangular pieces of cloth of two different colors. See in figure 12.16. Each piece is measuring 20, 50 and 50 centimeter. How much cloth of each color is used for the umbrella? So there are two different colors in this umbrella. As you can see in the figure, one is shaded and the other one is unshaded. But the dimension for both the colors is same. So let us see how to solve such a sum. First we find the area of one triangular piece. So here one triangular piece dimension is given, that is 50 centimeter, 50 centimeter and 20 centimeter. So let us take A is equals to B is equals to 50 centimeter and C is equals to 20 centimeter. So S, to use the Heron's formula, first we need to find semi-perimeter. So S is equals to A plus B plus C by 2, which is equals to 50 plus 50 plus 20 by 2, which will give us 90 centimeter. Sorry, it is written meter, it will be centimeter. Area of the triangular piece is root under S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So we will get root under 60 into 60 minus 50, 60 minus 50, 60 minus 20, which will give us root under 60 into 10 into 10 into 40. So 10 is in pair. There are two zeros, so 110 is also going to come out. So hence we will get two different tens, and square root of 4 is 2. So we will have 200 root 6 centimeters square. Now root 6 can be kept as it is, or we can use its root form, that is irrational number in decimal expression. Now first one triangular piece area we have found out. Now we will find 10 triangular pieces. So area for the 10 triangular piece is 10 into 200 root 6, which will give us 2000 root 6 centimeters square. According to the question, we have to find how much one color cloth is being used. In this diagram, there is two different colors that is being used to make the umbrella. So to find out one color of such, we will divide it by 2. So we will get, hence the cloth required for each color is equals to 2000 root 6 by 2, which will give us 1000 root 6 centimeters square. This is how much the area of one colored cloth is being used to make the umbrella. Now let us see question number 7. A kite is in shape of a square with its diagonal 32 centimeter and an isosceles triangle of base 8 centimeter and sides 6 centimeter. Each is made up of three different shades as shown in the figure 12.17. How much paper of each shade has been used? So you can see we have a square and one isosceles triangle. Now let us see how this sum is being done. So this is the figure. ABCD is the square. Now in square we know all the four sides are equal, and according to square we know that the diagonals are also equal. So if one diagonal is 32, the other diagonal will also be 32. If BD is 32, then AC is also 32, and the diagonals bisect each other. So AO is equals to OB is equals to OC is equals to OD, and the angle at O, that the diagonals bisect at 90 degree. So we will have a figure like this. It is given BD is equals to 32 diagonals are same, so AC is also 32. So OA, which is bisected by BD, will be equal to 32 by 2, that is 16. And now ABD is a right angle triangle. As we know, this portion, the interior angles of a square is 90, so ABD is a right angle triangle. So a right angle triangle, we can use the formula half base into height. So here half base into height is equals to half 32 into 16. Here we have taken the base as BD and height as OA. So we will have 32 into 16. If we cancel 2 and 16, we will get 32 into 8, which is equals to 256 centimeters square. Now area of ABD is equals to area of BCD, as both the triangles are of same parameters. So we will have area of BCD is equals to 256 centimeters square. Now this bottom portion is an isosceles triangle. So here we have to use Heron's formula. So let us see how to find such answers. For triangle CEF, AB is equals to BC is equals to 6 centimeter and C is 8 centimeter. So to use Heron's formula, first thing that we need to find is semi-perimeter, which is S is equals to A plus B plus C by 2, which is equals to 6 plus 6 plus 8 by 2, which will give us 10 centimeter. Now we will substitute the value of S, A, B and C in Heron's formula. So we have the area of the triangle as root under S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, which will give us root under 10 into 10 minus 6, 10 minus 6 and 10 minus 8, which is 10 into 4 into 4 into 2. So if we simplify it, 10 can be written as 5 into 2. 4, there are two 4s, so 1 4 will come out and 1 2 is there. So this 2 is also is in pair. So 4 into 2 is 8, 8 root 5. So 322 centimeters square can be also written as 8 root 5 centimeters square. Now the value of root 5 is 2.24. So we multiply 8 with 2.24 and we will get 17.92 centimeters square. So this is the area of the triangle CEF. Now total amount of the paper needed was the total amount or the paper needed for different shades, that is shade 1 that is ABD, shade 2 that is triangle BCD and shade 3 that is CEF are 256 centimeters square, 256 centimeters square and 17.92 centimeters square respectively. So this is our answer. So today we have discussed question number 6 and question number 7 of Heron's formula from exercise 12.2. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you to understand these sums. Thank you.